Beautiful Volkswagen T-ROC 1.6 TDI SEL. Just arrived in direct from the last owner. This car's been owned in the same family from new. It is absolutely gorgeous. The SEL is a great spec car, 1.6 diesel, 115 brake horsepower. Raced in September 2018 on an 18 plate with full service history including the cambelt replacement. Very spacious cars these, easy access, a little bit higher off the ground, so giving you great access in and out of the vehicle. Combined miles per gallon according to Volkswagen is 50.4, can you believe it? Let's show you inside it. Great size boot. Comes with a spare wheel. You can also raise and adjust the height of the boot, as you can see there. You can drop it down. Split folding rear seats. Through load facility, so if you're carrying skis, wood, fishing rods, just makes it a lot easier there. Rear parking sensors with a park pilot system. Indium grey metallic. Rear privacy glass. All the wheels are in great condition and no major damage to any of those. Good tyres all the way around. Bodywork is absolutely beautiful, really has been well cherished. No major dents, scratches, scrapes or dings anywhere. Again, a close up of the front wheel. Again, plenty of tread. Good close up across the front. Again, lovely and clean. You might find the odd tiny stone chip, which is what can be expected for the age of the vehicle, but it is absolutely beautiful. And again, all down the sides, as you can see, no scrapes, dings or dents. Hence we do the video to show you full transparency, nothing to hide, just high quality hand-picked vehicles. All the trims in beautiful condition, lots of space there as I mentioned. Attention to detail there, just look at that beautiful upholstery with the white leatherette and the black spotter trim there. Beautiful clean, non-smoker's car. All the headlines all nice and clean, not being damaged. Absolutely gorgeous inside. Sport style seats, again all in great condition at the front, no undue wear. Just 26,449 miles, that's what it's done, 26,449, so nice low mileage example. Nice big clear screen, all touch screen, just scroll across, nice and easy, nice menu there, very easy to follow, whatever you're looking for. Navigation, again you can expand them out with your fingers, just all so easy. To control the heating off there individually. Bluetooth phone connection. The park pilot with the parking sensors, making life so much easier for parking. Great sound system. Dual zone climate control, USB input, 6-speed manual gearbox, auto hold feature, leather multifunction steering wheel with various stereo controls on there, the menu on the dashboard, control from there for different views with the onboard computer, channel changing,
navigation,
you've got voice activation,
navigation,
Navigation. Next command.
petrol station,
Please say the name of the DAB station.
smooth,
obviously didn't quite pick up on my voice when I asked for navigation, so I picked up a station.
yes,
It's just a matter of training the sound to pick up your voice, but it is so much easier with voice activation. You can dial or get directions or change stations. Lane assist, cruise control, speed limiter, folding mirrors, got SD cards in the glove box with a CD player, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always a pleasure, great files available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your low deposit, low monthly payments and apply direct off our website. It is very quick, it is very easy, and you could be driving this car away today. You can reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve, collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details of how that works. Read about our raving fans reviews, understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist Cars, a multi-award-winning dealer based in Stoke on Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Or if you reserve this car, you get our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we'll refund the deposit, no questions asked. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.